Sunday morning, the wife comes in, says the dishwasher's broken. I looked at her hands and I didn't see anything wrong. But we got a Whirlpool F8 E4 error code. Let's fix it. First, you're gonna find these two screws at the bottom of your dishwasher. You could turn the power off if you know the breaker. I didn't want to go down there. Well, you take these panels off. One's got a little foam on it. The top piece just hooks on the little hooks on the bottom. You'll see them. But here's our culprit. Water gets in this little tray right here. As you can see, there's a little drippy drip over there. And a little moisture everywhere. Once that lifts up the styrofoam of the float switch, can't even say that, float switch, you click in the two tabs on the side, pull it out, but don't pull it too far. You got the sensor there. Now you can mess around with it because I don't know what it was, but since you're watching this video, you get the perk of knowing to just pull on the right side of it. Because I'm just fumbling around trying to figure it out without seeing anything. And click, there it is. Super simple. Now we can examine the tray and there's definitely some water in there. That would cause the switch to go off. Not really sure why it went off. I've seen the inlets leak a little bit, didn't have that. Could be possible blockage in the drain. But we'll get it all set up and see if it happens again. As you can see, the switch is wet. So this is a normally closed switch. So when that float lifts up and then you hear that click, off the power goes. As you can see on the wiring diagram here, normally closed. That means there's power always going through it. So how you check the switch to make it sure it hasn't failed, get out your meter, put on continuity, make sure you got continuity there between your meter. It's always helpful. This is a cheap one from Home Depot, probably 20 bucks. So now you're just going to stick your probes in there, make sure they're not touching each other, and it should beep because it's normally closed. Now if you were to open that float while you're doing it, it would turn the beep off. No continuity. So I got the hairdryer out, just make sure everything's real dry before we put it back in. And you are so close to putting that sparkle back in your wife's eye. Let's just slide the clip back on, plug in that sensor, put those tabs in there, go to the top. Oh, she's good. No more beeping. God, that beep is annoying. Oh. Bingo! You have done it. You have solved the dishwasher issue. And you didn't even have to call the Maytag repairman. Saved you a buck or two. Now let's put the bottom back on first. You're going to put this foam junk in there. I don't know what it does. Probably insulation. Here's that clip I was talking about for the top piece. Just slide it in there. A little tip for you on this one. Do not tighten the screw all the way, because you're going to have to slide it over so you can get the other side in. I did not know that. I tightened it all the way, and look at this. Couldn't get the screw in. So I had to reach back over, loosen the other one. No edits here. Live stuff. Oh, but now it's good. Piece of cake. Little tip for you. Advantages of watching Charlie the Handyman whenever you might see this video.
And just like that, you saved the day. Dishwasher's back on. You didn't have to spend any money. Call an appliance repairman. Just had to listen to me talk. So, if you got anything out of this, like, subscribe, ring the bell. Job done.